Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Nothing really planned for this video as always. I am gonna be buying a like sort of car scent. I need a new like car scent spray. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna get. Probably one that smells like a new car. And then I'm gonna go get new plates in, because over here in Minnesota we're able to get like these all black but with like the white letters. I'll show a picture up here. I'm gonna be switching over to that. They'll probably give me like a new plate completely. So with this one, I'm probably not even going to show it like on camera, like ever. I don't know. So I'm gonna be, so you won't even see it. Like whenever I'm doing these POVs or like anything, you probably won't even see them anymore. So I'm gonna be doing that, and I'm trying to see if there's anything else. Nothing really. I did go to a Mexican OT with me and my girlfriend. We went over here in Minneapolis. He had a show. I'll play like a couple clips right here or whatever. But yeah, that was pretty much my weekend, and I'm just gonna go ahead and drive around for a bit. So let's go ahead and do it. So this is the one that I decided to go with. It's the Chemical Guys new car smell, premium air freshener, and odor neutralizer. So yeah, it's the one that I decided to go with. Summer, I got a few plans that I got, like as videos, like as I keep making videos throughout the summer. I am going to be traveling a bit more, so, and I will be taking my car out a bit more, like to different places. So I will be, you know, like recording in different areas, not just in my town. And I also have a few ideas that I have planned as like topic videos, sort of like how I've been doing like for the past year, which I've been kind of trying to update and renew. I'm going to be doing that. And also there's going to be a few more car shows. I know that this year is going to be a bit busier when it comes to car shows. There's going to be a lot more. There's going to be a lot more like Mustang only, because here we have like a lot of specific car shows. I mean, like right there we got like some sort of motorcycle car thing, motorcycle event. That's why we got a couple motorcycles right there. But we have like specific like shows, like for Corvettes. We have those, sometimes we have those at the dealership right over here. We have those, I know I kept seeing we have those. But on Saturdays, we just had one like 2 weeks ago. I'm not sure when the Mustang one is. That one should be around the corner. And then we have like Camaros. You don't really see any Mopars though, but that's no shocker. But those are the types of things I'm going to be posting, the types of things that, you know, you could kind of expect as the videos come this summer, more new things, a lot of the same things, but you know.